SiteChecker AI is a brand new tool that just hit the market. And if you're someone who's serious about digital marketing and SEO, you're going to want to stick around for this review. Today, we're going over 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software and why it could be the best AI tool you add to your arsenal in 2025. Now, the first thing you should know about SiteChecker AI is that it simplifies your SEO and site audit processes like never before. This AI-powered software automatically scans your website to find SEO issues, broken links, and performance problems that might be hurting your rankings. And it doesn't just give you a report, it also provides actionable recommendations to fix those issues so you're not left guessing. One of the most impressive features of SiteChecker AI is its ability to track keyword performance over time. Using its AI, you get a detailed view of how your target keywords are performing across different search engines. This is crucial for anyone managing an SEO campaign. Instead of just blindly guessing which keywords are working, SiteChecker AI gives you data-driven insights to refine your strategy. Another standout feature is the AI's ability to analyze competitors. This feature allows you to compare your website with others in your niche, giving you a real-time look at where your competitors are excelling and where they might be lacking. It's a great way to uncover gaps in your own SEO strategy that you can exploit. Now let's talk about the real-time alerts. SiteChecker AI monitors your website 24/7, so if anything goes wrong, whether it's a broken link, a drop in rankings, or an issue with your site's performance, you'll get an instant alert. This proactive monitoring means you can fix issues before they hurt your SEO or user experience. The software also includes an easy-to-understand SEO dashboard. If you've ever used SEO tools before, you know they can sometimes be overwhelming with too many charts and numbers. But SiteChecker AI organizes all of your data in a way that's clear and actionable, so you don't need to be an SEO expert to understand what's going on with your website. It's also worth mentioning the comprehensive site audit. SiteChecker AI doesn't just look at SEO, it checks every part of your website, from content quality to mobile optimization, even down to the smallest technical issues. It's the most thorough audit tool I've seen in an AI-based solution, saving you time and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now, before I dive into my final thoughts, I should let you know that you can try SiteChecker AI for free with the first link in the description below. If you're new to the software, this is the perfect opportunity to explore all its features and see if it's a good fit for your digital marketing needs. Now, if you're wondering how this stacks up against other SEO tools, let me tell you, SiteChecker AI offers a level of automation and simplicity that traditional SEO software doesn't. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to save time while still getting detailed insights into their website's health. To wrap things up, if you've tried other AI tools and are still looking for the perfect one, I've tested thousands of them, and my recommended AI software is listed below. Feel free to check out my free trials in the description and let me know in the comments how SiteChecker AI is helping your SEO efforts.